I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme.
I hope you had an absolutely amazing holiday. And you know what? We're gearing up for the next one. Now, let me say this to you first. I am so thankful that you're here today as family and friends, and know that in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme that you may enter the door as a friend, but I promise you, you're going to leave as family. So before we go any further, please make sure that if you're not a member of the family, that you go right now down there to the description box and click on that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss a moment of the things that are going to be coming next month. Now, the rules for the kitchen vignette are very simple. The vignette has to be on a tray, some type of tray for mobility. I used a dough bowl. There should be florals for the season. You will also want to include words to welcome or encourage your guest, as well as decor items that are going to represent the holiday winter season. For example, you might have gingerbread people, or you could have snowmen or snow ladies. You might have Santa. You can have candy cane houses. You can have a menorah. I mean, the list just goes on. So, have fun with your kitchen vignette, and be sure to watch to the very end of each of the videos that are submitted for this collab. And don't forget to give everyone some love by making sure that you give them a thumbs up, and if you're not a member of their family, that you join. So, without further ado, let's get to our kitchen vignette.
I think this little vignette is going to be so pleasant for when I enter the kitchen, or anyone else enters the kitchen, that they are going to get our holiday message. I love these little poinsettias. They're just so cute. And of course, I had to have my tartan plaid tucked in. So there's my tartan plaid bow. And peek right there where you can look into that gazebo and see the tree. How pretty is that? This little holiday chocolatier house came from Kohl's several years ago. Oh my goodness, more than several. It's been about 10 years ago. And it actually had lights that were supposed to light up the window, but for some reason or another, it didn't work. So just the little lights around the trees are working. So I've added a few extras so that you can see them. And you know, if I can get the big guy to figure out what's going on with those lights, we will have lights in this little house. Merry Christmas. Well, here is the 2021 kitchen vignette. I'm going to take you in a little closer. I want you to see it lit. And we're going to start back here where we have our holiday chocolates with our little gingerbreads. And inside the gazebo is a Christmas tree which I think just always looks pretty, a beautiful gazebo. And you'll see that the tree even changes colors. How about that? This gazebo has a swag that's hanging on it. It has little peppermint looking poinsettias. Has little gingerbread houses. And you know I'm going to turn the light on so that you can actually see it well. But, you know, this is what it looks like at night. Our message to you is Merry Christmas. And we even have a little gingerbread guy back there in the back playing around in the backyard. I hope you're going to join me for the month of December from now through until Christmas on a journey of preparing the kitchen, talking about our traditions and things that we do, joining us as we celebrate some of the holiday festivities, and just general chit chat, because you know that's what we like to do. And so come into the kitchen